This is the first video of a new series, the Yoruba religious concept. We will uncover the whole beliefs of the Yoruba people and their religion. Ensure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to be the first to know when the next video is uploaded. Without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. Before we ascend into the Yoruba religion, we must first look at the source of all living creatures within our universe and beyond. Thus it brings us to Olodumare, Olodumare, Olorun, Elédumare, meaning owner of the universe, supreme God. Olodumare was transferred into Olorun, literal meaning owner, the head of the Yoruban pantheon, which contains 1,700 divinities. He is Olofin-Orun, Lord of Heaven. Also he is Olodumare, Almighty, and Supreme. To the Yoruba of Nigeria, this sky god is the discerner of hearts, he who sees the inside and the outside of man. Active in celestial and terrestrial affairs, Olorun is able to do all things. He is the enabler of all who achieve any ends. No one has ever seen this king who cannot be found by searching. Yet as Olodumare he is omnipotent, a mighty, eternal rock, forever constant and reliable. Olorun created the universe, appointed night and day, arranged the seasons, and fixed the destiny of men. Whenever a misfortune befalls a bad person, the Yoruba say, he is under the lashes of God. Death was his creation too. At first men did not die. They grew to an immense size, after which they shrank into feeble old people. Because there were so many of them around, men prayed to Olorun, begging him to free them from long life, and in this way the old ones died. Defined by there are several stories to the creation myth of the Yoruba people of Nigeria depending on the area that one would travel and which cities they heard the stories. Complicated by the oral traditions of the Regla of Orisha from the Cuban people. We are going to recount a itan of the creation myth told by those of Ile-Ife, the holy city and womb of creation in Nigeria, later on in this channel. Which says to us that Olodumare transferred his spirit into a new soul that he named Adua, eldest path, avatar of the Orisha Enla Obatala. But first we must define who is Olodumare and what is his role within the African Nigerian religion in the next video. Stay tuned.